Okay, so this shower was really neglected for the last few years. I don't think anybody even cleaned any of this tile grout. And I just want to highlight here that even when you buy a grout that says it's stain resistant and it's not going to basically stain, doesn't mean that it doesn't need regular maintenance of cleaning. So this was a premix that I used probably 7 years ago called Quartz Lock. It was a pretty gritty consistency. And I don't know whether I'm going to get this back to the regular color. I have a feeling I won't be able to, but we're going to use some grout deep cleaner. This should be able to do it, so I'm going to spray it and scrub it, let it soak in for a while. But most likely, it's not going to come completely clean. Once you let things go to this point, it's really difficult to get any type of grout back to its normal color. All right, let that soak in for about 5 minutes and we'll keep scrubbing. Yeah, so that is not going to clean up. Basically, you have to re-grout it, scrape it out. I mean, it's pretty well embedded in here. Yeah, that way it's going to clean up. So, lesson is, don't let this get to this point. This would have to be regrouted. Luckily, we're replacing all of this, but don't believe that all premixes or any type of grout is just going to be stain resistant forever. You have to do maintenance on it or it will eventually stain and be difficult to remove.